Jim Bob Dragons.
Hey, this might mean some quick cash. Leon Shu, wait for me!
No, it's me, Leon Chu.
You just saved my life there, my love!
Lordy, leaping lizards, 2 grilled Jim Bobs for the price of 1. Well, when I say price, that's just my way of talking, okay?
Girl.
Now, we got 2 Jim Bob Dragons, night tariff, 30 guineas payable on delivery. Got the money on you, kid?
No.
Yeah, that figures. But of course, your daddy's got money, right? Where are your parents?
They're dead, mister.
Oh, what misfortune! Once again, we worked for peanuts! And what are you doing in the woods at night without a guinea in your pocket?
I'm looking for noble knights for my uncle, who is very, very rich.
Wait a minute. Very, very rich?
You are real knights, aren't you, my lord?